dog hair, but also a dog mess problem here out before they shampoo. There's no reason. You get a diminished of return because as you keep messing with trucks that they make, it basically what that is just flex dip it. Obviously I put blue tape over the screw ports. Something wedged in between that plastic up top. I can already see a piece of bone there, nasty. I already vacuumed that side. I mean, you already see a difference. I mean, dogs I love dogs. I mean, I want 3. Very just gnarly. It gets really rad. After I do that side, it's time to spray this down and shampoo it. At least show you dry the amount of difference it makes when you have the right. That's my lily brush. That basically conquered all of this. However, going to be nasty because that's what people sit.